Welcome to Trade Pro. Here is a quick update of the daily time frame trading challenge where I trade a simple strategy over and over again on 28 Forex pairs, Bitcoin, Google, and SPY. So what I want you guys to do is, if you haven't already seen the original video of this challenge explaining the strategy being used, check out that first video, and I encourage you follow along with this trading series and participate yourself. So get yourself a paper trading account, watch the first video, learn the strategy, and participate in this little series here. Barely takes any time each day. It's on the daily time frame. So simple trading series that you can follow along with and really practice sticking to a trading strategy instead of what most people are doing, where they're trading based on emotion, not using proper risk management. This is a great way to practice sticking with a system and following it just relentlessly. Don't break the rules. Just stick to the rules of the strategy. Follow proper risk management and see what happens. It doesn't matter if it's profitable or not. You're on a paper trading account, and just practice. This is great trading practice. So that is what I want to promote here with this series. So I'm just going to do a quick update of this series thus far. Obviously, it's not a lot has happened. It's on the daily time frame, but so far we have this trade here on Euro against the British pound, and it's doing really well. This one is doing the best out of all of them. There have been 7 entries, as you can see. This one's up by 190 bucks. It actually hit the 1x risk target where the stop loss got moved to break even. So this one is safe. Stop's already at break even, and just aiming for that profit target. Let's go on to the next one here. Euro CAD, and so this one is down by $62. And you don't know what's going to happen. Maybe this will come down and hit the profit target eventually. Maybe it'll get stopped out. We'll see. This one here doing really well. Euro Kiwi, and it's almost at that 1x risk target where the stop will be moved to break even. And I have alerts set to tell me when that target has been hit so that I can move the stop to break even and minimize risk. This next one here, pretty much at break even, and the rest are all right around break even. So none of these other ones too interesting. Not much has happened. They're all recent entries, pretty much just entered. So that's it for the update, really. I just want to give a quick update on this little challenge and promote sticking to a trading strategy, using proper risk management, and tell people, this is how you should practice. Get a paper trading account and just practice sticking to a strategy to get used to it. So, eventually you will be ready to go to a live account, and you don't have to blow up a bunch of real money accounts in order to learn how to trade. So you can learn free. You don't need to lose a ton of money in order to learn the lessons. All right. So just do it the right way, save yourself some money, and I'm sure that you will have a much better time learning to trade this way. But anyway, that is the update of this little challenge. You can see $267 of open profit, which doesn't really mean anything because those trades could still turn around and get stopped out at break even or hit the stop loss. So we'll see what happens, and hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for watching.